The next question from Stan is, how much FECO do I have to take to battle my cancer?
Okay, so the general Rick Simpson protocol is 60 grams. Okay, and you work up to the gram a day, and it takes about anywhere from 5 to 15 grams or so to work up to that gram a day. And then with the Rick Simpson protocol, you'd have 45 days of being on that gram to get to the 60 grams, the gram a day to get to the 60 grams. So generally, people can overcome cancer, which is what Stan is dealing with in that period of time. But what I've found is that people oftentimes need a little bit more than that, often twice as long. So it can be like 90 grams to 120 grams of actual FECO that they need to take over that time. So anywhere from one of the full kits, the 60-gram kits, to two of them. And there are some outliers that need a little bit more, but roughly like about, I'd say 80 to 90% of the people will do between one kit and two kits, and you don't have to get them all at once. It might be 60 grams that this person does, 90 grams that this person does, 120 grams that this person does, but within that range. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.